From our earliest designs to every breakthrough along the way, we've refined performance, one detail at a time. Every performance story starts here. From heat control on motherboards to airflow engineering in graphics cards, every challenge shaped our craft, and every evolution sharpened our precision. Now that mastery of cooling moves forward, from circuits and air into liquid flow. ASRock builds not just products, but complete families, motherboards, graphics cards, power supplies, monitors, and now, the all-in-one liquid cooler that completes the platform. Across every series, from the flagship Taichi to the professional-grade workstation, the hardcore gaming-dedicated Phantom Gaming, the durable Steel Legend, the versatile Challenger, and all the way to the streamlined Pro. Now, a new evolution begins, engineered through extensive development, shaped by everything we've learned. Introducing the ASRock All-in-One Liquid Cooler. From core to cool, engineered to perform. ASRock All-in-One Liquid Cooler.